is what we do when the power goes out.
I can't charge it.
What?
Can't charge the phone.
You're right, I can't charge my phone. Here comes Echo to say hi.